beautiful people. Today I am making a starfruit or carambola juice. Carambola, also known as five fingers or starfruit, is a tropical delight that's perfect for a refreshing juice. Wash the starfruits thoroughly and slice them into pieces, removing the seeds if necessary. Peel and cut the orange into smaller pieces. Cut the apples and ginger into smaller pieces. Add the starfruits, oranges, apples, and ginger to the juicer. If you don't have a juicer, blend the ingredients with coconut water, then strain through a fine mesh strainer or a nut milk bag. Chill juice into a glass and serve over ice if desired. Garnish with a starfruit on the rim for a fun decorative touch. Enjoy this tropical juice as a hydrating pick-me-up or a delightful addition to your day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this starfruit or carambola juice recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, stay healthy.